Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, Jan sir.
Good evening.
Good. So, shall we start?
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Just we.
Almost.
For sir, we are waiting for him actually. She's coming in. Yeah.
Website is on app. Is there an app?
Yeah, there is an app. And you have to register if you want to go around.
Yes. Yeah.
Because
So yeah.
of the normal desktop, I was trying through the phone, because seeing some app is not there in the phone. I was not knowing what is it.
No
Download
worries.
some app or something.
No worries. I will just give a demo today how to you can reach to app, because in case of future exhibitions done by us or any other galleries, through this app you can see so many exhibitions all over the India, all over the world even. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
For
yes.
sir is here in. Good evening, sir. With your permission, we'll start today's program. Good evening.
Good evening, everybody.
Yeah. So
Good evening, everyone.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Your audio is clear.
Yeah. So I will request all our guests and participant and other people, just mute yourself when you are just required. Just unmute yourself and speak. Otherwise, other noise will be coming. So it's a humble request from our side. Good evening, everyone. Our honorable guest, Mr. Fahad Tamkanand, Mr. Jayant Naidu, and Mr. Bikram Sethi. You are all welcome to FOBAC. So I'll just make a brief introduction about our organization. This is a Chennai-based organization. It's a non-profitable organization. We started with 4 people, and now almost the member is crossed more than 40. It's a platform for the young guns to get chance, young talent to get chance to show their work. So I will just continue my word. I'll just give the mic to our director Atreyi for briefing our journey. Atreyi, up to you.
So good evening, sir. Good evening, Fawad sir. Thank you so much for coming in for inaugurating the show, as well. Also, good evening, Sir Jayant sir and Vikram sir. So I'm so happy to announce today that we have completed our anniversary in last 5th July. So because of some, we have delayed this show. It was some technical problem and some of the other issues. We wanted to host and curate these shows with a proper way, and that's why I'm so happy to announce that my loving friend and our curator today, Nandini Sarkar, she and me both, we had it together and we have curated this exhibition over the wave in a 3-day virtual format. So first of all, I would like to request my friend and our curator for this day, Nandini, to say a few words about the show.
Thank you, Atreyi, and thank you whole team, the FOBAC team, and good evening everyone. It's a wonderful journey. I have seen many of you, that so many members, and it's very difficult in this situation to exhibit one show, create on show. But it's a different platform. Uh, so I like to say that uh, I'm very happy that Atrey just helped me out. Let's do one thing, and we both together. We last 4 5 days, 4 5 nights, we don't sleep. We just slept late night, and we just discuss what we have to do, what we don't have to do. And it's a wonderful thing that it's a wonderful experience to having this virtual exhibition. It's a digital and it's 3D. It looks very grateful. It's really different from other things. So thank you everyone. Thank you our president Jayachandran, Samuel Jayachandran, and then all the team members and director Atrey. Thanks a lot. So I'm going to read our concept note. Life has its own expression, and art comes as an expression of feeling, belief, and character. It is obvious that art lies somewhere within the rhythm of nature, landscape, mythological, socio-political, socio-economic, urbanization, and as well as the physiological context of reality. So, and our exhibition named as Expressia Arte, it means expression of art in Roman language. It is a conceptual exploration of a modern point of view through drawing, painting, prints, and sculptures, which redefines our perception of what are the lies between the expression of reality and art. It is possibly even finds new interpretation that were waiting to be discovered. Art is either revolution or plagiarism. So Paul Gauguin said this thing: art living has its own expression throughout the life, whereas an artist helps us to reach and read that expression from the medium of art, because it is pure. We cannot lie to anyone. It is also one of the most important elements of art. Expressia Arte is a group exhibition which represents more than 35 or 40, around 40 artists are here who are exhibiting, who are participating in this exhibition, in this virtual exhibition. And it's such a wonderful platform that we all together we are sharing this, and it's all happens because of this FOVAC Foundation. So thank you again to the FOVAC Foundation. We are proud to exhibit their artworks where they express their feelings, thoughts, and emotions all together to make such a beautiful artworks in various mediums and contemporary contexts. Due to this pandemic situation, all the art society is facing difficulties to survive in daily life. It's very true. We are like this. You can see that I'm wearing a sari at home and just pretending myself that I'm visiting and physically I'm visiting a group show or any show I'm attending. So it's very difficult. I'm just pretending. We all are pretending this thing. So it's a very difficult situation in this pandemic. I hope this pandemic will go very soon. We are privileged to present our very first virtual show in this time by FOVAC. translating such abstract thoughts into physical form has been the endeavor of a group of 40 artists across the nation. It is not an easy task to collect, to invite all the artists from different parts of India, and all together we just doing this show. It is possible because it's online. Physically, maybe it's very difficult. So their works are very outstanding and bring out the essence of the times where we are, and work that interprets idea is a non-realistic, exaggerated, or a fairly abstract avatar in a contemporary context. Their work is something that is not really what it seems at first glance. It is something you turn back to look at again and force you to think about the context. So enjoy the virtual show, our group show, Express Aarti. Stay happy, stay healthy. I hope you all are happy to have this show. So enjoy the show. Now, Aarti, please over to you. You can say something,
Yeah.
and our guest
So-
chief can say something. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So today I'm not going to speak much because I am going to represent and give a demo of the exhibition, how to visit the exhibition, because maybe
Atri,
for many of you, this is a first show where you are visiting a 3D virtual show. So I will request Fawad sir to speak our chief guest as our chief guest and to speak few words about the show and today's our initiatives, and we would like to know your respective suggestions behalf of it.
yeah. Before sir is started speaking, I just introduced sir. Everybody known him is an eminent artist from India, and he is doing international shows. He have a gallery in Australia also. The main thing is from his side is like our vision and mission and his vision is almost matching together, because he is always been giving chance all the newcomers, all his big shows, not only this the local galleries all over India, even abroad. So hats off to you, sir, for giving all the eminent, upcoming artists with the eminent artists. And thank you so much for one of me and Mosami is one of them to get chance to be introduced by yourself last year also in Mumbai. Thank you so much, and sir, up to you. Just give your thoughts towards our organizations. Thank you.
Thank you, Julian. Thank you, Julian.
Welcome, sir.
First, I would like to congratulate Sukalyan, Aarti, and Nandani, and the entire team of FAWEC. And it's a very, very good initiative. And thanks for inviting me to witness a beautiful artwork, because I'm also an art student. I don't consider myself a complete artist. Artist is a very big word. You have to spend throughout your life to paint, and I strongly believe that one life is not enough to paint what you feel like painting. You have to born again and again. So I'm very fortunate because you are going to show. I will be able to learn something from them, because we learn art from a lot of people, no matter young or not so young or old, because I strongly believe that we learn so much from life. And now we are in a very different situation. Now we are doing everything virtually. But no matter, we will be able to see good images. And once again, I would like to congratulate your complete team and looking forward to see the artworks. Thanks for inviting me. Love to see everybody's work.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Jan, sir, will you please give some feedback, because you are with us from 1 month back for our anniversary show, and a little bit, from our foundation. So we request you to speak about all. something. Sir, unmute yourself, sir. You have to unmute.
Yeah, congratulations to this big little young team which is doing wonderful work. And I think let us move ahead and see the presentation. Maybe after that I can really speak something. But really, congratulations on this occasion. Please.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I request Mr. Vikram Sethi to say something about the foundation and the journey we started. Mr. Vikram, please unmute yourself.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, my fellow FOVAC team members, and a special thanks to Sukalyan, Mr. Samuel Jayachandran, and Arthuri and Nandini for a great show in times such pandemic times. I would like to say a very few words here because my focus is to let all these lovely talented artists showcase their virtual work through the curator's eyes. And I'm very honored to be as one of the guests here because I've always, all my life for 20 years, promoted emerging artists, and I'm happy when they become famous and they go further. It's an ongoing journey, and I would like to share something here that it takes a lot of courage to do a show in such situations and to encourage such young artists and also emerging artists. One thing I'd like to add out here, I don't differentiate between artists. For me, there's no junior or senior artists. I feel all artists are talented, and it's just a question of exposure to the right people and the right markets and the right platforms that make them grow further. So I don't like to say someone's junior or senior or someone is just someone more exposed. And I think all of them have equal talent. And I appreciate the efforts all of you have put together to make such a wonderful team of people and artists to come together in these times. And it's my word is there, always have faith and always have hope, the long road ahead. And I'm happy that in such times, the show is happening. So thank you all very much.
Thank you, Mr. Vikram. There is one more big pillar with us, our president, Mr. Jayachandran. Sam, will you please say something? Without you, this foundation is not being here, and we are not being sitting here for this visual platform. Thank you so much for giving us opportunity with working with you. So please say something about our foundation. Up to you, Jay. You unmute yourself, please. Unmute. Jay, unmute yourself. Unmute.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I first need to appreciate the director of FOVAC, Arthuri Bhattacharya, and Nandini Sarkar, and Sukalyan Dattan, and everybody involved in this team to put this exhibition possible at this pandemic time. So just, let's things go on and looking forward to in the future. Thanks a lot for the Fawad sir and Vikram sir and other people being here, part of this exhibition and being part of the chief guest. Thanks a lot. I once again say thank you to Arthuri and Nandini for curating this exhibition, and let's look for it and let's rock on. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Yeah,
bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. With your permission, sir, we are just inaugurating our show. Arthuri,
yeah, please.
It's up to you.
Yes, I'm sharing. Is it visible? Is it visible? Okay, great. So this is the first top view of our gallery space. Yeah.
Yes.
First I would like to say that this is the top view of our gallery space. And now I am going to show you a smart view of the place. So this is just the outside view. And now I'm going to, this is a little technical because maybe first time those who are handling it can be little confusing for you, but it's really a fun because when I started designing in this software, I was completely new about this software. So this is the first view of our gallery space. So this is the first view of our gallery space. Maybe it's now a good. So I can show you, first of all, I would like to request everyone just give a clap because this is our inaugural event. So this is a big clap for FOVAC, not for anybody individual. And especially those artists have made it successful. So because of the artist's contribution, we are able to represent such an exhibition. So we are starting from this corner first. So I would just like to mention each individual artist names first. So the work is done by Trupti Patel. I hope Trupti is among us. So this work is done by Trupti Patel. And this one done by Pradeep Kumar. He is from Andhra Pradesh. And this work, one of our member and our very active artist, Chandrasekhar Wagmare. Chandra, hope you are here. You can see your work.
He is here, yeah.
So this work is done by Suraj Kumar. This work, I would just like step to close because I can show you some of the examples. If you are not able to see the works.
Actually, your voice is not clear.
Okay. Am I audible now? Am I audible now? Hello? Hello? Am I audible now?
Yes, now you're audible.
Yes,
Yeah,
you are audible right now. Yeah, now clear.
Okay, fine. So I can show you first of the vertical view of the gallery space. This is the gallery entirely designed. Maybe those who are first time using, can you feel that you are running around the gallery once. Just you have to take these 2 footsteps in this gallery space and just give a tap. So you will be there. Just tap, you will be there. So that's one tap is enough to move and go closer to the artworks. So this work is done by our director of the FOVAC and our pillar and our founder member. He is Samuel Jayachandran. So this work is actually displayed a year long ago in Geneva, London. And now we are representing the work. This work is done by one of our most senior and respected artists, Mr. Sujit Podar. He did it on teak wood and painted with acrylic. This below series are done by our loving friend, Kajal Gaitonde. He's from Mumbai. And this work, we can see hopefully this 3 set of work done by Rajeshri from Ahmedabad, Patanjali and Lakshmi Priya Panigrahi, one of our artists. So Lakshmi Priya is not part of the FOVAC membership, but she is very good artist from India. So we have represented with such a theme. So coincidentally or incidentally, when we started curating this show, every works were relating to each other with certain curatorial concept. So when we started displaying the works, we found this every works are having their individual relation with each other works. Like this entire palette is representing nature and the philosophy of nature. This representing a story of mythology, music, symbolism in Indian art. So such a way we have displayed every corner of this gallery. And now I can show you the other palettes and other walls of the gallery, which is visible from here. You can see, we can go a little closer maybe. This work, this is a photography work. This photography work is done by Upayan Vardhan. He is an artist born of Kolkata and currently living in Chennai. And this work is done by one of our very respected artists and senior most in our group, Mr. Anil Nayak. He is chairman of Bombay Art Society. We are lucky to get him in our group, such an esteemed personality. He represented his great contribution in our group show. And this work is represented by, as you can see, if you tap on the work, you can see all the details of the work. So this work is represented by Jagdish, Dr. Jagdish Prasad Meena. And any work, if you want to see the work little close and the details of the work, please go to the work and tap 2 times. It will open with all its details. So this work, the next work, it's represented by one of our another senior artist and very supportive pillar for our foundation, Dr. Vijay Dhore. I hope sir is here today. This work is done by Dr. Vijay Dhore, Cityscape. So now we can move to the another part of the gallery. This is done by Himanshu Joshi, Mr. Himanshu Joshi, one of our respective artists. So now we are going to move to another part of the gallery. This is the another hall, another part. So we are representing the another corner of the gallery. We can start from this place. So this is a wall with 6 artists. First work, abstract, done by emerging artist Rahul Ushara. Second work is done by Mary Joshi. This work is done by Ashik Ali Khan from Kerala. And this work by our very loving friend and artist and curator Amanpreet Kaur from Hyderabad. This is a printmaking work, and this work is done by Shivaram Prasad, and this work is done by Nirban De. So next is a set of 3 works, but done by different artists. So first one is by Anupam Bera, second is by Sujata, and third one is our Maushumi Mondal. So if we can move to the another part of the gallery now. So it's little tricky. Maybe sometimes it is little tricky for all of you. Even so, it's new to me also sometimes, but I can show you the entire thing. So this is the entire view of the other part of the wall. First work done by Varalakshmi from Chennai. Second done by Pranobesh from Kolkata. Third one done by one of the American artists, Seamus Bray. And I don't know he is available among us today or not, but definitely it's an amazing work. You all can see. It's a portrait and a very beautifully done. As well, this work is done by our Shiva Swami. This painting is depicted on the real pandemic situation and the current situation. So it's an amazing work. And this work is done by Vaishnavi Nayak. This is done by Moksha, curator and artist. It's a digital painting, but done beautifully. Next one done by Sagar Naik Mule. It's a mural, but actually because of some technical issue, some of the sculpture works we have displayed with a frame, because in this 3D software it required to represent it such a 3D virtual display. It need a 360-degree view of the sculptures, and that is why we represented neural kind of sculptures, and we displayed in a photographic frame. Maybe by next exhibition we can represent these works with a proper advanced use of technology. And this is done by Aditya Jaina from Orissa, and also I represented last work is done by Sagar Nayak Mule from Goa, and this is done by Aditya Jaina from Orissa. Next work is done by Nilanjan Ghosh from Mumbai, and this one done by Papri Ghosh. Sorry. This is done by Papri Ghosh. It's a beautiful and very soft image. You can see. So this is the another part of the wall and the last part of the exhibition wall. So these three works are done, first done by our respected sir, Mrinal Kanti Gain from Kolkata, one of the eminent artists and senior artist and professor in Government College of Art. You all can see, this is a sculpture, bronze sculpture, but because of we don't have the 3D view of the sculpture, so that's why we have represented it in a photographic version. And this work is done by Amlan Datta from Delhi, tempera on paper. And this one done by our respective Vice President, Sukalyan Datta. And finally, we will go to the another one more part of the gallery which we should represent at last. The contribution and the works are done by another three artists. So these are the three works. So this work done by our curator, Nandini Sarkar, and the artist. This is done by Anjali Sharma from Baroda. And this work is done by myself. It's a marble relief. It's a sculpture, but as I mentioned, we have represented in a photographic. So it's a relief sculpture. That's why I have represented in a photographic version. So that's the view of the entire gallery. So I hope all of you enjoyed, and I would like to show a outside view of the gallery space for sure. So this is the entire outside space. You can roam around, walk around, or whatever you like to do.
Really amazing. A 3D virtual show.
And it have 4 entries. Any of the place you can enter. It have 4 entries. One inter chamber entry and another 3 outside entries are available. So anywhere you can go, and it have a sea view. So just entirely it's itself a fun. So this is our entrance where I will show you our posters. We have displayed the artist names. You can see all these are our artist names, respective artists, and once again a final clap for all of our respective artists to make this show successful.
Yeah, really.
So because of their beautiful creations, these works became successful. This exhibition became successful. So this is our entire representation of 3D representation, also the gallery space. So I hope you can visit anytime. This show will be available in the archive, because in case of 3D virtual show, it don't have a dead end or end date. We are keeping this show as an archive. We will keep our all upcoming shows and versions like such a way we can curate and create and keep this entire album for lifetime. So any of you can visit and display, and you can come and see the show anytime. So thank you all again, once again. Thank you so much for your patience and being part of this show. And special thanks to our artists today.
Yeah.
Yes. So Atrey, yes, you really done a great job. Really. First time you did it, and such an amazing way you have placed these things. Wonderful.
Pleasure. It's my
Clap for yourself also.
That's it.
Yeah, great job. Atri, will you please stop sharing? Then we can make this screen bigger. Yeah, it's a big clap for Atri. It's hats off. It's nice,
No,
very nice.
I will only accept in case of we need the clap for all artists because
Exactly,
of the
but
beautiful
no, it's your
harmonious
dedication and
creation.
hard work. So yeah.
Yes, because
Yeah,
of
without artists
Exactly.
we can't do this thing, and without Atrey also we can't do this thing. So it's
That's
all
true.
about the
That's
team.
true. So I will request now Fawaz sir and Jain sir to give some feedback on this about this show. I hope this is the first time you all are seeing this kind of virtual show, because this is new for us also. In other shows, the virtual shows is little bit different, and not exactly you have the experience to moving around inside the gallery.
Actually, this is a very positive part what I found during, because this software was completely new to me also. But this a most positive part is we are learning so many things during this pandemic, and this thing especially, it's a very good opportunity to archive our exhibitions in a 3D virtual manner. So the technology is advanced nowadays. We can entirely utilize it for our further all upcoming projects, which me and Nandini is planning, and our Jay Chandran and all other members are advised. So I feel there are also many software that I have explored, and this will be coming with one exhibitions, and it will be represented such a way which will be an entirely prove and archive for our future. So that's what this initiative I have taken. And our catalog will be released in couple of days. It's on process. So it will be released in couple of days. It will be circulated to all of you. And especially visit the exhibition, write your comment, write your open, honest comment over there. In case of any or suggestion, if you feel we need to correct some of the areas, please suggest us. We will be accept it, and it will be our it will be great to us to receive your criticism. Now I'll request Fawaz sir, please give your suggestions on behalf of the show.
Fawaz sir is, I think he just moved out because he's not in. He is trying to reconnect. So in the meantime, Jan sir, you just give us feedback. How you feel? Unmute yourself.
Yeah. As I told earlier, congratulations to the whole team. It's a very professional work that has been put up. Curator who is, I think got in touch with and selected about 40 artists, and there are about 64 exhibits. So it's not a easy task, and very well done. And then even the platform that has been chosen and it has been set up, I think very nice, and we can see a very good amalgamation of the younger generation and they maybe the older generation. So everyone is together here. So very important, because that will lead to sharing of ideas, understanding, and as Fawad said, art is an ongoing journey. So it all goes on, and a lot of things will keep coming out from time to time, especially in this pandemic time. There is so much, something very different happening in everyone's world, individually and as a team. So really congratulations, and I am sure that since this platform will not remain to Hyderabad or Telangana, and it will go global definitely, since we are online. And I'm sure this is a very good beginning by all of you, and we all look forward to many more such shows.
Definitely. Thank you. Thank you so much. And now we have our artist here. Vijay sir, will you please say something? How you feel about this virtual show? Vijay sir.
हेलो
Hello sir. Yeah.
हाँ नमस्कार सर नमस्कार
Namaskar sir. Yeah.
और सभी को नमस्कार और एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है देखने को मिल रहा है और काफी न्यू तरीके से अभी तक तो ऑनलाइन जो एग्जीबिशन से स्टार्ट हो रही है या चल रही है उसमें सब एक पैलेट पे पेंटिंग को डिस्प्ले करके और उसको प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं और इस बार कुछ एक नया है कि उसको 3D से कुछ गैलरी में कैसा लुक आएगा और क्या आएगा एक नया एक्सपीरियंस देखने को मिल रहा है और ऑलमोस्ट इस शो में जो भी आर्टिस्ट पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं ऑलमोस्ट सभी ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं विशेष तौर पे अनिल नाइक सर जो कि बॉम्बे आर्ट सोसाइटी के चेयरपर्सन होने के कारण आज वो इस शो में उपस्थित नहीं हो सके हैं। वो कल मेरी उनसे बात हुई थी कि मैं आना चाह रहा था मगर अचानक वो गवर्निंग काउंसिल उनकी बॉम्बे आर्ट सोसाइटी के चेयरमैन के कारण और दूसरी कमेटी के कारण अभी उनकी मीटिंग चल रही है और मैं बीच में इसलिए लेफ्ट हुआ था क्योंकि वो मुझसे डिस्कस कर रहे थे कुछ बात पे। तो एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है और आपका फाउंडेशन जिस तरीके से काम कर रहा है शायद मैंने बहुत सारे आर्टिस्टों को इस फाउंडेशन से जुड़ने के लिए एक प्रयास करने का कहने का कहा था कि आप इससे जुड़िए क्योंकि नॉर्थ का आर्टिस्ट उधर ही तक सीमित है साउथ के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आना उसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल की बात है। तो एक ये अच्छा प्रयास है कि साउथ के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आकर नॉर्थ का आर्टिस्ट कुछ काम कर रहा है और कुछ अपने आर्ट वर्क को एग्जिबिट कर रहा है। तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और एक अच्छा प्रयास है और जरूर एक सक्सेस एग्जीबिशन रहेगा मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you so much sir. Yeah, Fawaz sir is being here. Sir, will you please give us some feedback about this the show, with this virtual show? I think there is some problem with his network. He was just in and then.
Yes, some of people are facing network problem. It's everywhere. There is no issues about it because
yeah.
It happens.
So one more guest is here. Vamini, you just
yeah.
Please.
I would request. But I feel Pawan sir and Bhamini both are here, so I will request both of our respective guests to speak individually few words about our show and the initiative.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Atrey. Thank you, Sukalyan sir, for letting me speak here. It was a wonderful thing, Atrey, and so I have never attended a 3D exhibition as of now, and this was the first time when I heard about it from you. I was actually very curious to see how, what kind of a real time experience one would have with a 3D exhibition, and this looks really interesting. And I was also looking at how sculptures would be showcased in this exhibition, and I'm sure there would be a way out in this also. And this looks like a very, very interesting initiative taken by all the team members of Foundation for Visual Arts and Culture. And I wish you all the very best. And a lot of congratulations on the first virtual exhibition by Foundation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amini.
Yeah, actually, I will also like to mention one thing. Those who are new and using this or want to visit this show over using your mobile, kindly download this artsteps.com app in your mobile first over the Chrome, then register. Like usually when we register in social medias, Facebook, we use our mail ID and password we create. It's the same. So once you register, you no need to register for further. You can visit any show over the worldwide with this software and our show too. And also this is a way of where you can visit the entire show properly. Otherwise, if you are not registered, it can make an error of the visual look of the gallery. So that is why it's my humble request, keep in that mind when you are entering the show. Before that, make sure you have the app in your phone. That's the way, that's the process to visit the show, because it's a safe site, secure site. They always want a registration from each and individual visitor. And you will be having a comment box below, a like button. Please do it if you like it. And also the great news today, when we started this inauguration program, before that I opened the site and I have noticed the show is already visited with 200 people in advance. It is already visited from worldwide. Before we visit the show, the 200 people advance they visited the show. So this platform is extremely unique to spread our exhibitions, our initiatives, our works to worldwide. So thanks to all again for being here and your great patience. And I will request to all, kindly leave your suggestion in our message book, because the message box, it will be beneficial for us. We are learning, we want to encourage ourselves, and we want to make ourselves perfect from one level to another level. None of us perfect, but it will take some time, and your esteemed suggestions will help us to learn and being perfect. So please leave your suggestion behalf of the show. And in case of Bhamini mentioned that about the 3D and the representation of the sculptures, that's a very good question, because we were not having the immediate images of the sculptors 360-degree virtual view of the sculptures, because this software is a very advanced software. They're always looking for the advanced technology and a 360-degree view of a sculpture. So next show we are planning, Nandini and me are working. So we need to bug all the sculptors to send their 360-degree circular view. So then we can display it on the pedestals. Thank you again. And thank you so much.
Atri, there is a message from Fawad sir, so I just read it. I am very glad to see the works. Excellent show. Congratulations. Very professional. Thank you for this entire team.
Thank you. And there some raised hand is here. Moksha, will you want to speak something, please?
Yeah,
I just wanted to congratulate everyone, and I'm very glad to be a part of this. And last time also when we were working together, it was really fun. Fawad sir, thank you so much. I am so glad that I finally got to connect with you.
Yeah.
I'm really glad we were also able to connect outside. I was able to get his display his works for another show as well. So it's really nice to see the artistic community growing right now. For me, it's been an excellent experience. I really hope to keep working with all of y'all and keep being a part of FOVAC for sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Moksha. Sir, you are being here, so I just read your things, and now you are being here. Just tell something, and give your suggestions.
Yeah, due to network problem, I missed something in between. But thank you very much. Thank you all the organizers. I must congratulate once again to all the team. And you people have done a great, very professional job. And I hope that looking forward to see more and more shows. And we will meet soon after this pandemic, and pray that things will be all right soon. And most of the works are so amazing. Maybe inshallah in future I would like to invite all of you for a proper physical show, maybe in India or outside India, or my Australian Art Say Australia gallery also we can have something like that. So I'll try my best to work with all of you, because it's a pleasure for me to work with most promising artists like you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It's very glad to hear from you with this show.
Most welcome.
And yeah, we need.
Each and everyone is very good. You are all very professional, very good, and the way you are all handle the space is amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Somebody raised hand. Sanjay ji, do you want to speak something?
Yes, yes.
Hello, Sanjay ji, would you want to tell something?
Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yeah, same the network issue, I think.
Might be. So that's okay. So I'll just, now we are about to finish it. We have another 10-15 minutes left. Yeah, I would like to put an open call to our respective artists and our guests today. If they want to share some suggestions or they want to speak something in last 10 minutes, we would like to.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, before that, please switch on your camera so we can just take photographs for archive. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I would again request to all of my respective guests, please switch on your camera. We want to take a screenshot about today's event. It will be a memory. So please switch on your videos and please represent your face.
Yeah.
I think, is there any?
Actually, your voice is also, glitching. Yeah.
I would. Yes. Yeah. Great.
Yeah,
great.
We have 2 pages. Yeah, we have two pages, so we need 2 times. Be patient. Thank you so much. All smile, please. Yeah, one is done.
1 minute.
Please wait for
minute. Yeah, I also want to give. Yeah.
One more, please.
Just yeah, I'm also processing. Please give me some time.
Thank you.
I'm also taking a screenshot.
One more, please.
Don't leave. Please be patient. Yes, so one is done, and the second one, please.
Thank you so much. Now, please, all of you, before that, I will just announce if our president is give us permission to speak one more time for the future plannings. Jay, can I speak about? Oh, Jay.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Jay, can you hear me? Yeah, Mr. Sanjay, yeah, please.
Yes, I like your show.
Yeah.
Yes, hi.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, wonderful. I like Trupti Patel's show, picture. It's very nice. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. So much. So kindly leave your comments below in the box. It will be helpful to us. It's like we are all performing virtually, so it's important. We don't have a commentary book here, so our chat box is one and only option for the show. Please leave your comments, and it will be great. And thank you so much for all our senior artists, those who have allowed their esteemed creations to be part of the show. So my
yes, sorry, Atreyi.
Yeah, continue, please.
Jay, can you hear me?
Hello, Mr. Jayachandran.
Yeah.
Am I audible to you? Can you hear me?
Sir, you are unmute. Unmute yourself. You have to unmute.
I think there is some internet error.
Yeah, now.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, great. It's wonderful. It's a really wonderful moment to see all artists be part of this virtual exhibition. And I appreciate the curators, Atri Bhattacharya and Nandani Sekhar and Sukalyan Datta and other team members putting all this effort and bringing this show into the reality. I congratulate once again for the whole team and for the other artists who have participated. It's all a lot of interesting work. I can see a lot of potential for them to in the future endeavors. I would just wanted to say and thanks a lot, and keep working with FOVAC, and let's move forward on the coming time. And it's really great to be part of this pandemic time and working so hard. Thanks a lot, team. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Jai. Yeah, Pranabesh, you have to say something.
Yes, I cannot achieve the part जहाँ से मैं वो आपका चैट बॉक्स यूज कर सकता हूँ, वो विजिबल नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, just make the chat box available for all of our visitors. Maybe that
yes.
Able to write.
Yes, I'm trying many times, but
yes, I think you have to, Sukalanda, you have to, enable the.
That is enable only. This.
Okay.
Everything is enable. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
okay, thank you.
Yeah. So all of you can leave your comments. We are almost done. We are about to finish our today's event. Visit our show. Share your suggestions. We are going to publish this exhibition in all social medias as well as also our website. And as I mentioned, our another one more professional website are on process, will be released soon. And all links will be available. In case of any difficulties or error you facing to visit the exhibition, let us know. We will help you to resolve it. Thank you so much. And we are looking to work with all of you for many other upcoming events. We are having bundle of events we are planned, and we are going to launch it nationally, internationally in coming future. Hope for best. Be healthy. Stay safe in home.
Hello, I want to say something. My name is Kavita Singh. This is my daughter's app, Aishwarya Singh. So that's why I cannot, I will replace my name. And I want to share my paintings for this virtual gallery. So how can I do that? Please.
Actually, madam, this exhibition is already started. We can't enter new works for this exhibition, but yes, for sure, for next upcoming exhibitions, we can definitely do. We have an email ID. I am leaving you our email ID here. Please send your works and all details, biodata and medium price details of the work with the good images of the work. So mail there. We will receive and reply you on behalf of this.
Okay. Please show one more time your email.
Yes, I have written.
It's written in the chat box.
Yes.
You can get it.
And also leaving the contact number in case of you need to know something.
Okay. I can.
So this over this two contact you can contact, we will be available, and accordingly we will respond.
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
thank you all for the nice evening, and congrats again, both the young curators, Atreyi and Nandini. Good job. Hope we'll make it again and again with the plan. Upcoming things we will update you. Already we published our first magazine. Be ready for the next one. After 2 months, it's October 1st, we'll publish our second issues. So be ready with your write-up and give us on September 1st week. So we have little bit time to manage everything. And if you have any valuable suggestion, please write us. Feel free and be happy. Stay safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Atreyi, Nandini, you will please stay here.
Okay.
And Jay, please.
Bye bye.